Hi everyone, I am Muhammad Nawaz and welcome back to another tutorial of Figma Motion series. It's about motion terminologies and presets. Before dive into the Figma Motion tool interface, it's important to understand the fundamental motion design terms and presets. This will give you a solid foundation and make the learning process much easier for you. First of all, we have position. In motion graphics, position refer to the exact location of an object, shape or text element on a screen. Here you can see in the top line a ball is on X position. Similarly, in the bottom line you can see a ball is on X1 position. So the ball changes position from X to X1. So we can see position is change of location of an object. Similarly, we have rotation. Rotation is another preset of Figma Motion. Rotation in motion refer to an object turning around his axis. In the left side you can see box with zero angle, and similarly the box has changed his rotation and changed his rotation with 45 degree. Next we have size. Size refer to the actual dimension, width and height of an object. In the left side you can see light orange circle with size of 150 pixel into 150 pixel. Similarly, on the right side you can see the purple rectangle with 200 pixel into 120 pixel. Next we have scale, interchangeable term with the size but refer to the percentage by which an object is enlarged and reduced with same dimensions. Previously we have seen size is multiplication of width and height, but the scale we measure in percentage. Here you can see on the left side we have a light orange square with 100% size, and on the right side you can see the purple square with 80% of the 100%. Next we have opacity. Opacity is a measure of how transparent is your object. In the left side you can see a square with the opacity of 100%, and on the right side you can see the square with the 25% of the opacity. You can see with this square it's a transparent and you can see lines behind this square, but on the left side if you can see there is no transparency and you cannot see the line behind this object. Next we have path. A path is the invisible line or route that an object follow as it move from one position to another position. We have the P1 position and the circle is most left side of the line, and similarly we have P2 position and the circle is in the center of the line, and similarly in the bottom we have P3 position and the circle is most right side of this line. So we can see this ball follow the line and change his position. So this change of position with the line, it's called a path. Next we have fade. It's an important preset of motion graphics. The definition of fade is to gradually disappear or become less visible. You can see on the top line with position P1 we have a circle with 100% opacity. Similarly, as the ball reach to P2 position, ball has lose his visibility and reach on this position. Similarly, as the ball reach on P3 position, this ball has gradually disappeared and become more less visible. Sorry, it's a P4 position, and as the ball reach on P4 position, it's gradually become more and less visible rather than P1, P2, P3. Next we have transition. A transition is the process of changing state, object, shape or scene from one scene to another scene. Below you can see we have a square with P1, P2 and P3 position. You can see as this square reach from P1 to P3 position, it has changed its position, rotation and shape as well. On the P1 position it has a radius of 2 pixel, on the P2 position it has a radius of 8 pixel, and on P3 it has a radius of 16 pixels. So overall it has changed its position, rotation and shape as well. So this process is called transition. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you again in my next tutorial.